Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve the exercise 2.3 of NCERT. Okay. So our first question is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, x minus half, x plus pi, 5 plus 2x. Okay, that means the same polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 will be divided by x plus 1, then x minus half, then x plus 5, then 5 plus 2x. We have to find out just the remainder. Since in earlier classes we came to know about the remainder theorem, so what will we do? We will try to solve this type of questions by using the remainder theorem. Since in the questions it is not mentioned that whether you have to determine the remainder by using the remainder theorem or by actual division method, a student can follow both any one of the method, either actual division method or the remainder theorem. But in the question, if it is mentioned that determine the remainder by using actual division method or by using remainder theorem, then you have to follow only that method. But in this case, since nothing is mentioned, either we can solve that is the determine the remainder by using the remainder theorem or actual division method. We prefer to use the remainder theorem because it will be more easy. So like here we are going to solve it. Okay, so for the question number 1, p of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, let gx equals to x plus 1 equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 1. So therefore p of minus 1 will be minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, in spite of x we are writing just minus 1. So minus 1 cube means it will be minus 1, minus 1 square means 1 plus 1, so 3 into plus 1 is 3, then 3 into minus 1 means minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so it will be plus 1 minus 1, then 3 minus 3, they'll cancels out and 0. So the remainder will be 0. So therefore the remainder will be 0. Okay, for the first question. Next is x minus half. X minus half. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus half. So let it be, let x g of x, let g of x equals to x minus half equals to 0. Okay, so or x will be equals to 1 by 2, x will be equals to 1 by 2. P of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Okay. So P of P of half will be equals to P of half will be equals to half cube plus 3 into half square plus 3 into 1 by 2, that is half, plus 1. So half cube means 1 by 8, half square means 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. It will be equals to 1 by 8. Let's do the sum. If you do the sum, the LCM will be 8. Okay, so it will be 1, 6, 12 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8 plus 12 20 by 8 equals to 20 by 8. Now you can just divide it. 5 by 2, that is equals to 2.5, that is equals to 2.5. So let's write the answer. Therefore the remainder will be 2 and 1 by 2, that is 2.5. Okay. Have I made some mistake here? Oh, there are 4 2's, 3's, 2, 4. No, then 2 8 to 4 3 12 1. This will be 8 na. Sorry, this is miscalculation was there. Miscalculation was there, so it will not be this. It will be 27 by 8. Yes, 27 by 8. 27 by 8. This will be equals to 3 and 3 by 8. I made a mistake, students. Very sorry for that. 3 and 3 by 8 will be the answer. Okay. Next is when 1 of 3. When x cube, this one, let g of x equals to x equals to 0. Okay. So P of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore P of 0 will be equals to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. That is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay. So the remainder will be 1. So the remainder will be 1. Okay. Next is 1 of 4. When x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus pi, okay. So let g of x equals to x plus pi equals to 0, or x equals to minus pi, okay. So then what will it be? Therefore p of x will be equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, that is x cube, means it will be minus pi, p of minus pi. Therefore p of minus pi will be equals to pi minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into pi plus 1. So minus pi whole cube means minus pi cube, then minus pi whole square means pi square, so it will be 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. So the remainder will be this much, big pi cube minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. Okay. So this will be answer. Next is question number 5. See, when find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by 5 plus 2x. Okay. So let it be. Let g of x equals to 5 plus 2x equals to 0, or 2x equals to minus 5, or x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay. So p of x equals to x cube, plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore p of minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube, minus 5 by 2 whole cube means it will be 5 cube means 125, 2 cube means 8, plus minus whole square means plus. Okay, so it will be 5 square means 5 square means 25, 3 into 25 means 75, 2 square means 4. Okay, plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2, that means minus plus into minus minus, this will be 15 by 2 plus 1. So it will be, the LCM will be 8, it will be minus 125 plus 4 into 2, that is 75 into 2 means 150, 2 into 2, 8 divided by 2 means 4 into 15, 6 plus 8. Okay, so 125, 150 minus 125 means 25, 25, then again 25, this 60, 25 minus 60 plus 8. If you do minus 35 plus 8 by 8, this will be minus 27 by 8. Okay, this will be minus 27 by 8. So therefore the remainder will be, minus 27 by 8. Therefore the remainder will be minus 27 by 8. Next is question number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Find the remainder when this is divided by x minus a. Okay, so like the previous one, let g of x equals to x minus a equals to 0 or x equals to a. Therefore p of x equals to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, or not or, let therefore p of a, what will be p of a? P of a means there will be, in spite of x we will write the a, that is a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Okay, this is a cube minus a square into a means a cube plus 6a minus a, 6a minus a cube, it will be cancels each other, since this is plus a cube, this is minus a cube, so 6a minus a means 5a. So the remainder, therefore the remainder will be 5a. Therefore the remainder will be 5a. Okay, next is question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now, in order to be a factor of this, in order to be a 7 plus 3x, if 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x, then the remainder should come 0. That means there will be no remainder. Only then you can do that. You can say that there is no remainder, means it will be a factor. Okay, so let's see, we have to write that let g of x equals to 7 plus 3x equals to 0 or 3x equals to minus 7 or x equals to minus 7 by 3. Okay, 7 is positive here. If you move towards minus 7, and it will be minus 7 by 3. Okay, now we have to write the line that p of x equals to 3x cube plus 7x, okay, if and only if p of minus 7 by 3 is equals to 0, then 7 plus 3x 7 plus 3x will be a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, remember students, here in case of, since you know the factor theorem also, in case of this kind of question, what we used to do, if in the whether you if you use the factor theorem, okay, then what happens in case of remainder and factor theorems are equal, but in case of in order to be a factor, that the division should be equals to the remainder should be 0, the remainder should be 0, then it is exactly divisible by the divisor. Okay, that's we want, that's we have written here, if and only if p of minus 7 by 3 is equals to 0, then 7 plus 3x will be a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, that means leaving no remainder when 3x cube plus 7x divided by 7 plus 3x, that will be no, absolutely no remainder. So therefore p of minus 7 by 3 will be equals to, p of minus 7 by 3 will be equals to 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Okay, so 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube, that is 3 into minus, let minus comes outside. Okay, so 7 cube means 343. Remember, I have already told you in your very first video lesson that you should remember, or you should remember 1 to 10 cube and 1 to 25 square. That will be better for our calculation. Okay, like here see 7 cube, we don't have to calculate. If you know already, then we can directly write, that is 7 cube is 343, 3 cube is 27. Okay, now plus 7 into, this is also be minus. Okay, so this plus will become minus, for now let it be 7 into 7, that is 49 by minus 49 by 3. Okay, sorry, for 49 by 3. So now 3 in 27 we can divide, so it will be minus 343 by 9, minus 343 by 9. This plus into minus mean minus 49 by 3. Okay, so 9 by 9 3, the LCM will be 9. Okay, so it will be minus 343, 3 into 49 means 147. Okay, so that is equals to, that is equals to minus 490 by 3, minus 490 by 3, which is not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0. Okay, this simply proves that, therefore we can write that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, 3x cube plus 7x. Students, don't write the line here, just complete, since my page is going to end, that's why I have written the line just beside of it. Okay, this line should be in the bottom of the, at the end. Okay, so that means you can see that since the remainder is not 0, since the remainder is not 0, therefore 7 plus 3x can't be a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. If the remainder was 0, then you can say that 7 plus 3x will be a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay. So this is the thing. So this is the thing, okay, and this is all for today's class, okay. Next time we will have a doubt clearing class, may have a doubt clearing class on polynomial in coming videos, okay. So whatever you have doubts, send me the doubts, or you can comment on the comment box, okay. I will solve it no matter. Thank you, and that is the end of today's class.